Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a hair review. This hair is from Modern Show Hair. They sent me this hair a couple days ago. It got here pretty fast. So this is what the box looks like. There's a label on the side that tells you the type of wig, the length, and everything like that. So this is what the wig looks like out of the box. I'm just running my fingers through it. There's barely any shedding at all, so it's very minimal. I had like maybe 5 strands. It's 100% virgin hair also. The cap also looks, I have a big head, so I will let you know if it fits perfectly or if it's too small, but it looks like a good size. This is what it looks like on the inside. The lace goes all the way around. And then there's 4 combs. 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and then 2 on the sides. It has these 2 little clamps right here that you can tighten the wig. If it's too big, you can adjust it with these clamps here on the sides. So I'm gonna go cut the lace and then come back and show you guys what it looks like on my head. Okay guys, so this is what the hair looks like. I cut the lace. These knots do not come bleached, so you can bleach them if you want to give a more realistic look of like the scalp part, but I didn't do that. All I did was just put a little bit of concealer here. And what I will say though about this hair, definitely the front part looks very natural. It comes natural already. So like this front part right here was very natural out the box. I didn't really have to do a lot of plucking here. I did pluck the sides a little bit just to give it a more natural look, but the lace on this wig is very good. Like it blends in with my skin so well. I will say that this wig is probably the only wig that putting it on right out the box, I was like, okay, I don't have to really pluck it because it was already good. So that was one thing I really do like about this wig. The front was already basically done. All I had to do was lay my baby hairs down. It's very soft. It's very full. This is 150 density and it feels nice and full. This is a 360 wig, so keep in mind the lace goes all the way around. So if you do want to put it in a ponytail or do different styles, you can do that. It has versatility so that you can be able to do that. I put a few wand curls in it and that's basically it. Here's what it looks like, you guys. What do you think? This wig is 24 inches. I'm 5'3", so I'm gonna stand up so that you guys can see how long it comes down to. So I would say like my belly button. It comes down to like my belly button. My elbows are ashy. Oh, it did fit on my big head. Actually, I had to adjust it in the back, and if it's perfect, it's nice and snug, but it was the perfect size. I'll put the details of this wig in the description box below in case you guys are interested in purchasing it. You can find all the information there. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye.